Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and verify your IRS account using ID.me. So this is helpful because once you're set up, you can check your tax records, payments, refund status, and any amounts due in one place. So first thing to do here is go to Home Internal Revenue Service and click Sign In on the top right. Choose Individual, then click Sign In and create a new ID.me account. Enter your email and password, confirm it, and accept the terms. You'll get a 6-digit code in your email. Enter it on the screen. Next, choose your MFA method. Passkey is the most secure, but we'll use text message here. Enter your phone number, then type the 6-digit code that you can receive. If you can, save the recovery code in case you lose access to your phone. Click Continue for verification. Choose Self-Service, accept the terms, and continue. Enter the phone number where you'll upload your driver's license, then follow the prompts on your phone. Take clear photos of the front and back of your driver's license, then do selfie video for liveliness. Go back to your computer and wait for it to verify. Now enter your social security number to connect ID.me to IRS, then confirm your name, address, and phone number. Once it's done, click Allow and you'll be taken to the IRS website. Now your IRS account is ready, and you can view your account status, payment history, refund info, and tax records. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.